Hey guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. So for this week's video, we are going to be doing the dorm room tour, and it's a dorm room tour for winter 2019. I moved in at winter term, meaning like I literally moved in earlier this month, or last month. So this is really, I've only been here for like barely a month. For your information, it's the same hall as last year, Global Scholars. It's the same type of room, a 4-person suite. And yeah, hopefully this will be my last stay in a dorm, because next year I plan to be in an apartment. And yeah, also I hope you like the setup. This little area right here that you'll see in a minute is one of my favorite areas, and I really like this whole setup thing. So hopefully you guys like it, and let's get started. So we're going to start at the entryway, and right here you'll see from our entryway, I actually put up this mirror, and it's a full body mirror. I fastened it with Velcro. Not even sure if you're supposed to put it on this side of the door, on this door instead of the bathroom door. Don't know, don't care, it's not a problem. So to the left of the mirror, we have the sink area again. This is our recycling bin because you should always recycle. And we have my towels, we have my roommate's towels, and her name is Liv, by the way. We have just other basic like necessities here, my perfume collection, our sink, and we have our dish soap, the tiny baby bottle, and my sponge, and then underneath we have this storage area, and that is where I keep all my stuff. Obviously, everybody else actually keeps their like bath stuff inside the shower, but I prefer to have my own little area to keep it, so that's why I have all my stuff in here. But yeah, we have my makeup bag, we have Tide Pods, those are Livs, and the hair dryer and stuff like that, and all the cleaning supplies in the back, and my curling iron. So yeah, to the right of the mirror, we actually have these two hooks that I held up by myself. We have my bike helmet, and we have this hook which I actually put my keys and my sweater. We have my hamper. And over here we have the wardrobes. This is my wardrobe, and that is Liv's wardrobe. Up here we just have this box of skinny popcorn bags because, you know, there was no other place to put it, so I kind of just put it up there, and it works. It's out of the way. Then we just have a suitcase and an extra storage bin. And then in my wardrobe, that's really loud, I'm sorry. In my wardrobe, we kind of just have my shirts. I don't have a lot of clothes, clearly, but like, you know, I go by, so that's what matters. And then we have my backpack, and then we really have my entire closet. You know, basically the top drawer is dedicated to like my underwear and stuff. This one is where all my leggings are, and also like some extra stuff like swimsuits and some thicker leggings because it's winter, so just in case it's colder out. Down here we have short sleeves shirts, which there aren't a lot right now, but I only bought a few for when I go to the gym because I don't like wearing long sleeves at the gym because that's really hot. And then on the bottom is where I keep all of my PJs, and again, these are all the winter ones, and I'll switch them out for some like t-shirts and stuff when I come back after spring break. And then on this side of my wardrobe, we have all of my jackets and my one dress that I brought, because you never know. We have more hangers, and then down here we just have my backpack purse. So that's where we keep all the stuff that we would bring like back home. It's like the bag for the comforter and stuff, and when we have to bring it back home. We have Uggs down there, and then we have a shoe rack right here. This is where I keep all of my shoes and stuff like that. And then on the bottom is where we keep all of my laundry stuff and just extra stuff, like we have the Tide Pods, the lint roller, the Clorox wipes, the paper towels, the dryer sheets, the extra tissues, just extra plastic bags, and yeah, all the extra stuff. And then right here we have the door for the bathroom. I will show you the bathroom really quickly. Our trash can, and then we come to my main area. Last year, if you remember, I actually had my fridge right there, but our fridge is actually somewhere else. It's on this side, right there. So now I just have this little mini storage for snacks and food and everything. And right here, I put this little hook for from the grocery bags. There's actually two. I have two. I have this cooler bag and then I have this like regular one because, you know, just in case. And then right here, I just have all my food and the paper towels. And then right here is this extra side table that I use for my like school supplies and whatever, which I don't have a lot of. Like, just literally, it's literally empty. Like, yeah, I don't have a lot of school supplies this time, but and then down here we just have extra stuff, and then down here is actually where I keep all the notebooks and binders and stuff for class. And on the top of the desk I actually have, see, I have two piles of books. These are the piles of books that I am currently reading for class, and then this one is the ones that I'm not reading yet, and as I'm reading them I'm going to like switch them and stuff like that. And then we have my AirPods, the speaker, and we have this makeup mirror here, and then we have my desk. So this is where I do literally everything. I do all my studying here and all this stuff like that. That painting in the corner is from my friend Kiki. She painted me that. That was here last year. I just kind of kept it in the same spot. I have a printout of my schedule right there because the first week of school, I'm telling you, I forgot which classes I had, so I just kind of printed it out and put it there. And then I have the collage of photos. I kind of just chose random photos and put it up there. And then we have my whiteboard again. Just so you know, for those of you who follow me on my Instagram, my quote of the days I do photos of, but I also do write on my whiteboard the same exact quote. So yeah. And then in the corner I kind of just have a photo of friends. I have a photo of my family at Disneyland again. I kind of just have all of my whiteboard markers there and like extra pencils and school supplies there. My collection of post-it notes, a random post-it note here. It was just to remind me for classes because, you know, like page numbers and stuff, because, you know, you lose track. And then I actually don't have a whiteboard eraser, so I'm using a tissue. Over here we have tape, stapler, this light, which is really cool. All you do is really just move your finger and it lights up, as you can see. And over here we have my computer. Is attached to the charger, which is down there, and then we have the tissues and stuff here. And yeah, we have this chair, and the blanket on top of this chair is kind of like serves as like a cushion. I got this blanket from Aeropostale. It's literally one of the world's softest blankets, in case you ever wanted to know. And then down here we have my trash can, and the trash can I think is from Walmart. And over here we have the printer area. I have this light box that says, so right now it says good vibes only. I kind of changed the saying like every 2 weeks or whatever. We have my printer here, and we also attach this cables for the computer because we don't want to have wireless printers because it interferes with the internet, and our internet is slow enough as it is. So we just have to attach it with the cable, and that's what that cable's for. And again, there's the charger port for all the cables from the laptop, for their light box, and yeah. And then we have this extra little drawer, and on top here I just keep electronics, and basically the same setup as last year. Vitamins, iron pills, pads, and like the first aid kit right there, and also like other stuff. These bands are for physical therapy exercises. And then here I actually like have so much extra room because not everything could fit inside those plastic drawers over there for the food, so we actually just got an extra bin from Lowe's, and I just put all my extra stuff that I could store, like the blender, the thermos, mugs are back there, you can't really see it, and the ice cube tray. And then in here we also have the applesauce and the Ritz crackers for the charcuterie board that I made, towels and the extra sheets and all that jazz. And then right to the left, we have just the lid to that plastic bin. We have the, I'm not really sure what that is. It's like color, it's like bleach for color clothing and light clothing. So I don't know, it's like just laundry stuff basically, and my lap desk. And then up here we have my unmade bed because I don't believe in making my bed when you're just gonna get back in it. Right here we have this, the softest blanket in the entire world, this Sherpa throw from Costco. It's black on the outside and has this white fleece Sherpa on the inside, and it's so soft. Then we have this piece of artwork that I'm zooming into. It says Unstoppable, and that I got at Michael's. And the one behind me that I'm going to show you, this one is also from Michael's, and it says do more of what makes you happy. And as you can see, my theme for this year is pink, white, and gray, and of course there's the gold accents and the black accents from last year. And yeah, so yeah, we have the bed over there. You can kind of see my charger on the bed right there. Up here we have the lights again. You can't tell that much in here. You kind of can. It's very off-centered, but I'm not going to fix it because it took me forever just to do it because the little command hook thing would not stick. So I'm not going to take it off. But it's very like not uneven, like just a diagonal, not like straight. So yeah, and then we have that love thing they got from Target last year, and we found this wire little caddy thing. Not really sure what it was for at Lowe's, and my dad wanted to actually pry this off or cut it off, but like it's metal, so it's fused together. So he just put like the little zip ties on it and hung it from the side of my bed. And this is where I keep my glasses and my headphones and also my phone when I'm getting up into my bed. Then over here we have the lounge area. My roommate has this air couch that also doubles as a bed for when you have guests over, which is really great. It's kind of like an air mattress in couch form, basically. And yeah, so in here I hang out here all the time. We have this pillow from Target, and then Liv has her pillows. I think one of those from Amazon is that like little back one they can sit up in. And Oregon pillow, of course, because we're in Oregon. And up here we have our window. As you can see, it's kind of a foggy day. It's not rainy, it's just really foggy. It's really weird. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it so you can be notified every single time that I post a video and see and watch all the cringy videos that I have made in the past. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell right after the subscribe button so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. College does not get any easier. School doesn't get any easier from wherever you are. But it's necessary. And yeah, I have to go study for a midterm. So I'm out. Bye.